What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jeff and I make a variety of videos, pretty much projects I'm working on or experiments I'm testing on my vehicles. But today we're going to be using this Chicago Electric Flux welder. This is Harbor Freight's cheapest welder, I believe. Gives you a little chart here, give you a little bit of idea what to use if you're new and learning, which I am. But I've done a lot of research, watched a lot of videos, so I think I have a decent idea what to do. I'm using the 0.035 size wire. I'm gonna have my wire speed set to around 4 for now, and I have it to max. What I'm gonna be doing is welding these joints that connect this rack together. So you can see here I have a lot of rust coming down where this connects, and I tried to just seal it with silicone, but eventually during the winter that seal breaks. You can see lots of rust coming down, and it ends up going on my bed. Just a really bad look. Plus, by welding these seams here, one over there, I already did these back two, but that one's pretty bad, so I'm gonna redo that one. But it should make this rack a lot stronger. You can also see up here, I've already welded this little bar on here. This is to help hold my scaffold out away from the boxes, so the scaffolding I use doesn't lean against the box and I can't open the lid when it's leaning against the box. So I welded this on here to help solve that problem, and it seems to be really strong so far. I can put my whole body weight on here. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna set the GoPro up, turn this welder on, and I think I'm gonna weld this seam first. See, I cleaned it up a little bit. See how good I can do. This will be like my second time ever welding. Now, before this video starts, can you guys do me a huge favor and hit that like and subscribe button down below? It really helps out the channel and lets me know you guys enjoy these type of videos. So with that being said, let's get into it, guys. Alright guys, you want to make sure you have your entire body covered up when you're welding, because it does produce some pretty intense UV rays and you will get sunburned. I have it cheap. I don't know, this was like 35 bucks or something from Home Depot. So I'm gonna put this stuff on and I'm gonna try to weld this up. I'm going too fast, I think. Not terrible. Okay, not too bad really. I mean, it looks ugly right now, but once I clean it up, it'll be all right. Okay, go outside. Pretty good. Try to get it all the way around now. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like before I clean it up. Now keep in mind, this is probably my, I don't know, like my third, no. Well, this is my second time ever welding. I'm gonna clean it up for you and show you what it looks like after that. Alright guys, here's the weld all cleaned up. It's definitely not perfect, but it's a lot better than what I was doing at first. It looks like I got pretty good penetration on both pieces of metal. Inside here looks pretty good. Yeah, not bad. Couple spots where it's not perfect, but I think it should seal. And it's definitely made this rack stronger already. Alright, so next I'm gonna weld this one over here. Do it the same way. I'm gonna start like right here, pull towards me. Right where I want to be, okay. So here's the weld, all cleaned up. It's hard to get on the inside here. These marks on my truck were already here, but I did get a few little things here on the bed, but not worried about that at all. It's just a beater work truck. But here is the weld, guys. Now keep in mind, like I said, this is the second time I've ever welded, so take it easy on me. I'm definitely no expert. I could take a metal grinding wheel and grind this down a little bit to clean it up, but I might just leave it like that just because I don't really mind. Okay, so I think I'm gonna weld this one next. I don't like the way it turned out, so I'm gonna redo it. All right, guys. Here's the welds. I ended up cleaning them up with a grinder. See, looks pretty good. Definitely not perfect. There's some couple spots that I didn't get full penetration on both metals, but for the second time that I've ever welded, I think it turned out pretty good. Now all I gotta do is slap some undercoat or some paint or something on there so it doesn't rust. But definitely made this rack a lot more solid. It doesn't move back and forth at all anymore, where before you could actually like hear the rack shifting just a little bit. But yeah, guys, these are the type of welds that you can get with that Harbor Freight Flux 125. It's a Chicago electric, actually, but sold by Harbor Freight. I think this welder is great for little do-it-yourself home projects, stuff like that. Things where you don't need actual super strong structural support, like on a car frame or something like that. Not sure if it would do the job for that, but for stuff like this, it works really well. Keep in mind, when you're welding, I would wear things that you don't care about, because I got lots of splatter all over this old hoodie here, because I was up close working pretty close to material so I could see well. It's very hard to see through these, in case you don't know. But yeah, guys, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully you learned something new. If you're on the fence of buying one of these welders, I would just do it for the price. It seems like a really good quality little welder, and I have a lot of fun on it. I'm learning a lot on it. It's just a great little welder to learn on. So that's it, guys. Hope you have a great day. Peace.